Hello and welcome. As artificial intelligence rapidly evolves from generative models to autonomous agents, are you ready to design, deploy, and scale the intelligent systems shaping tomorrow's technology landscape? Presenting AI Infinity, a technical course, an advanced upskilling course designed for professionals with a technical background who want to build real-world production-ready AI systems. This course equips you with the knowledge and hands-on expertise required to move from experimentation to building enterprise-scale AI application. Organizations today need technologists who can go beyond using AI, professionals who can customize models, integrate AI into workflows, and govern AI responsibly. This course helps you build end-to-end AI solutions that deliver measurable business impact while meeting standards of safety, ethics, and compliance. Through this course, you will learn to master generative AI and prompting, including text, code, and multimodal generation using leading platforms. You'll customize AI with enterprise data using techniques such as fine-tuning and retrieval augmented generation. You will design and deploy agentic AI systems, including multi-agent workflows, memory, and tool integration. You will also be able to scale and govern AI solutions, ensuring responsible use, security, and long-term business value. Your learning is reinforced through hands-on labs, self-paced technical challenges, and mentor-assisted capstone projects, including real-world systems such as a real-time market intelligence platform, generative AI software creation, conversational business intelligence interface, self-operating business process agent, and many more. This ensures you graduate with practical experience and portfolio-ready projects. If you are ready to advance your career and lead the next wave of intelligent systems, enroll in AI Infinity technical course on Swayam Plus and start building the future with AI.